What's up, guys? I am here in Maya Riviera at the Hard Rock Resort. I'm about to head to the pool, so I thought I'd film a quick get ready with me. I wanted to do something that was like bronzy and sun-kissed. So yeah, let's get started. Start off, I definitely need some sunscreen. This is the In Defense 30 and has SPF 30. This is from Indeed Labs. I absolutely love this because it's like specifically made for your face, and it doesn't like make your face oily or anything like that like other sunscreens do, and your makeup sits so well on top of it too. So I always use this, especially when I'm going out to hot places like Mexico. I make sure I put this on before I put on any makeup. I already have like discoloration, so I don't want my discoloration to get even worse with the sun. Next, you guys already know the drill. I'm using my Vasanti color corrector, the liquid 02 one. Obviously need this. I am so jet lagged right now, and not because of like any time difference or anything like that, but I'm just so tired of traveling. Like, I was in, where was I? I was in Mexico like 2 days ago in Tulum, filming with Lise Watier. Like, you can even hear my voice, it's all messed up. Trying to look for my brush. So I was in Mexico 2 days ago, and then the week before that I was in Cuba, and then the week before that I was in Chicago. And I just feel like, oh my gosh, I have never been on a plane so much before. I'm just so exhausted of living out of a suitcase at this point. The last 2 trips were work trips, so it's like this trip and the other Mexico trip were work trips, so like I'm actually like busy doing stuff. It's not just relaxing. If it was just relaxing, I wouldn't mind, but it's not. By the way, this is the Artiste Oval 6 brush that I use to blend in my makeup. Next, I'm going to go in with my photography fluid in 8%. This is the one that's from the Abnormal Beauty Company, and I'm going to apply this all over my face. I'm like praying that I just don't get any of this on the bed sheets, like I'm filming on my bed right now. Which I probably will, to be honest. So this is just going to give me like a really nice, fresh, glowy base. It's gonna make it look like I have like the most sun-kissed tan. I love this stuff. You could honestly use this on its own too. I don't, but so like look how glowy and dewy my skin looks. So like obviously there's a guy outside right now that is blowing leaves as I'm filming this get ready with me. So that is all the noise in the background. I hope he goes away soon. Anyways, I'm gonna go in next with my Marc Jacobs Shameless foundation. This is in the color Tan Y420. So I'm just gonna apply a little bit of this, not a lot, just cause like my skin doesn't need it too much right now, like foundation too much right now. I just feel like with this tan, everything looks good. So yeah, I'm just gonna lightly apply this. I'm just getting it all over my hair and shit. I'll lightly apply this all over my face. Focus it kind of around my eyes because that's where I need it the most. Okay, so I really gotta cover these bags up. I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and apply this all underneath. And I know this seems like a lot of makeup for being on vacation, and it is. But that's just how I like my makeup, so deal with it. And yeah, I just use this brush for everything. I love it for everything. It blends everything out so well that I don't need anything else. Okay, next I'm going to take my Ben Nye banana powder and apply this all over my face. Not all over my face, just around my eyes. And I'm gonna apply it using the Artiste Oval 6 brush. Yeah, so basically why I'm in Mexico right now is I'm working with a company called Destawed, who is creating like a promo reel of showing, like, you know, how beautiful a destination wedding can be at the Hard Rock. So I'm here to do makeup on a model. Her name is Trish Dhaliwal. Probably a lot of you follow her, I assume. She's a super popular model, super gorgeous. And so yeah, we're starting the shoot today. There's 4 different looks, so it should be fun. So I'm going to lightly apply my Armani Luminous Silk powder on my face. Not like a lot, just like enough to keep my makeup on. And I'm going to apply it heavily around my eyes just because I need my eyes to stay and look bright. But everywhere else, like, I don't want to put a lot because, like, I want to keep that glowiness. So I think that's about as much as I'm going to do. I still have like leftover makeup on my eyes from yesterday. I was so freaking tired that I couldn't be bothered to take my makeup off properly, which is so bad. I'm gonna go in with my MAC Prep and Prime Lip Primer just to hydrate eye lips. So I'm gonna do my eyebrows quickly using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in Chocolate. This shit does not budge, so it's like amazing. Especially for weather like this where you feel like everything is gonna sweat off, or like if you want to jump into a pool or whatever and you just want like brows, this is like the holy grail. It will not move. I'm just gonna fill in my brows lightly. Like, I don't want them to look too heavy, especially with like the look that I'm doing today, but my brows are already pretty thick as it is, so. Okay, so I filled in my brows lightly. I want like the super ultimate glow, so I'm gonna layer on like 400 highlighters right now. I'm gonna start off with the Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops in Rose Gold, and I'm gonna apply this to my cheekbones, like the highest parts, and again with the handy dandy oval 6, I'm just gonna blend this out. Apply it kind of around my eyes, around that V part. Oh, I got it like right under my eye. Oh well. Just gonna be extra glowy everywhere. You want to try to avoid under your eyes like I did, but whatever at this point. Next, I'm going to use the NYX Duo Chromatic Illuminating Powder in Synthetica. I just dropped that all over my bed. So I think this is like the perfect golden glow for a brown girl, because it's like golden and peach. It's really, really pretty. And it just gives me, like, whenever I wear this highlight, I feel like a million people ask me which highlight I'm wearing. So I'm gonna apply it all on my brow bone, up in here, on my cheeks. Just like, look how insane that glow is. So pretty. Okay, so we have this really intense glow, and then I'm gonna take my Fenty Beauty Trophy Wife, and I'm just gonna use like the tiniest amount and apply it right about here, just to give like that bit of extra sparkle. I don't want to take it like everywhere, just like right there, so when the sun hits it looks really nice, because if you put it everywhere it'll just look like way too much. Since it's like super gold and super sparkly, this highlight is fucking blinding. Love it. Okay, so highlight is done. I'm gonna do a super quick eye look using the Anastasia Soft Glam palette. I've been loving this palette lately, especially for vacation. I just think it's like so perfect. So I'm gonna take the color Burnt Orange and a big fluffy blending brush and just apply this all over my eye, especially in the crease area, but you can blend it down onto your lid too. And again, this eye look is going to be so quick. Like, I'm pretty sure I'm only going to use like 2 colors. Then I'm going to take the color Glistening and Bronze and kind of mix them together and apply it just with my fingers super lightly, like just pat it on just to give a bit of like a golden shimmer. birds are so freaking loud. Oh my gosh. So they woke me up at like 7 a.m. I was like, what is going on? Why are you guys so loud? Ugh. But I miss hearing that in Canada. Like, I miss having birds wake me up because it's been so freaking cold. I feel like all I do is complain about the cold. So that's all I'm really gonna do for this eye look. Just because I want the main focus to be the skin. I want to be like super glowy, bronzy, like fresh looking. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. Now, if you're gonna go into the water, I highly suggest you do not use this mascara. It does run a lot as soon as it's like wet. So I'm just gonna apply mascara all over. I feel like I have leftover mascara on my eyelashes from yesterday, which is probably gonna make this mascara not look so good. You know what I'm actually really sad about this place is that it doesn't have a beach. Like, it has like a small little man-made thing, but not like a proper beach. So I can't even chill on the beach. Like, I can get a pool anywhere. I want to be able to sit on like a nice beach. So time to contour my face because it looks chubby and the sun just went away a little bit. So I'm using my Pure Cosmetics Bronze and Brighten Cheek Palette. I absolutely love this bronzer because it like gives me that perfect sun-kissed look. And it has like a bit of like shimmer in it. So again, it's like very glowy, gives you that very dewy skin look. Like, look how freaking nice my skin looks. Just gonna toot my own horn. I'm gonna apply this all over my forehead and against my nose. I don't really contour my nose too much. I just take like leftover product of my contour, my bronzer, and I stick it up my nose. Just super lightly. So I'm gonna apply my Cork lip liner all over. So I want to keep my lips pretty neutral. I'm going to use the color Seductress from Maybelline. This is their Superstay. I love taking these. I like pretty much brought all of my Superstay liquid lipsticks with me because these are so amazing. Like, they stay on forever. So especially when you're on vacation and stuff like that and you don't want to like carry your lipstick with you if you're going out or something like that, that you know that these are going to stay on. So keeping it super neutral, and then I'm gonna use a bit, since I didn't bring a gloss, I'm gonna use a bit of my Cover FX Custom Enhancer Drops, and I'm gonna apply it to my lips just to give that extra glow. Okay, so I'm also gonna apply a bit of highlighter to my collarbones and stuff, just to give my body a really nice glow. I don't know why I used this brush. So just gonna apply this to like my collarbone and my shoulders. Make sure I'm glowing everywhere. So this is the final look. Super glowy, super bronzy. I got makeup all over my fucking bed. Oops. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. It's so perfect for like the beach, or just, you know, summer, which I'm like craving so bad in Toronto. So when summer does hit, you guys can use this. Obviously it's a lot of makeup, but it doesn't look like too much. Maybe a little bit because like you look like a freaking like light bulb, but can you really complain because your skin looks good? Anyways, I am headed to the pool now, gonna go tan and maybe take some pictures. But before I go, if you did like this video, please do not forget to hit the thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel. You don't want to miss out on any other videos that I put out, so make sure you subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Bye!